Welcome to How To with Miss Knight and her pups. Meet the crew. Miss Knight and her pups Sandy and Ollie will teach you how to do fun things around the house. Today we will learn how to grow lettuce. There are lots of vegetables you can grow right at home with just scraps. You can grow radishes, celery, potatoes, carrots, onions, and avocados. What have you grown at home? Today we're going to focus on growing lettuce. Step 1. Pick a head of lettuce with the stem still on. You can clean and eat the green leafy part. The bottom of the stem is the important part. If you look at the picture, I show the bottom of the stem. This is romaine lettuce that I'm using. Step 2. Save at least 2 inches of the bottom. Get an adult to help you when using a sharp knife. Be careful. In the picture, you cut above the mark. Remember to leave about 2 inches. And get an adult to help with cutting. Step 3. Pour a bit of water into a small, shallow bowl or cup. You only need enough water to cover the bottom of the stem. That was the brown part on the bottom. If you look in the picture, I only put a little bit of water. Step 4. Place your lettuce stem in the water. Make sure the water only covers the bottom part. You can use toothpicks to help your stem stand up in the water. In the picture, I've put arrows where the toothpicks can go. Step 5. Place your plant in a spot with some sunlight, but not too much sun. I put mine in a window in my kitchen. You can add a bit of water once a day if needed. The water should only touch the very bottom of the stem. Your lettuce will grow a little each day. Look at day 1, then day 3, and day 10. After a week or two, you'll be able to cut the lettuce right off the stem, wash it, and enjoy it in a meal. Here are some pictures of my lettuce that I grew in my kitchen. As you can see, Sandy was a great helper. She is posing here with her lettuce. Thank you for joining us. I can't wait to see what you grow. And tell us, what would you like to learn next in How To?